tried to put together celebration collections which you can really proudly wear and flaunt during the festive season. We are going to be looking at three types of Banarasi silks today. Beautiful platinum zari all over, lovely jali work, beautiful zari, again beautiful floral rosettes all over the pallu. All over body there are lovely floral vines in dazzling golden zari. This is how the Kora silk fabric feels. Sona Chandi is the gold and silver motifs together. Beautiful golden zari with beautiful silver meenakari work. They've done a beautiful polka dot blouse. Wow, it's really nice. Beautiful on the flowers. There are three different colors. Gorgeous rocket blouse. Silver zari is really stunning against the purple background. Beautiful edging in diamond motifs on both sides. Feel of it is beautiful. The brocade zari and the Chiniya silk together. Hello Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today we are starting a new series. The festival season is upon us and we have been putting together some lovely collections from across the country. Various handloom sarees which are not only beautiful because they're handloom, they're lovely, they're handmade, made by the best artisans, some of them award-winning artisans, but also we've tried to put together celebration collections which you can really proudly wear and flaunt during the festive season. Dasara is coming, Diwali is coming, so I'm sure you're all looking at ways to dress yourself up in a grand and festive way. Today, we'll start off with the Banarasi Silk collection from Avishya. We're going to be looking at three types of Banarasi silks today. We're going to be looking, of course, at the class act, the numero uno in Banarasi silks, Katan silks. We're also going to be looking at Kora silks, which is the beautiful, lovely, translucent variety of Banarasi silk. We are also going to be looking at the Banarasi Chiniya silk, which is the lighter, thinner version of Katan silk. So, I'll start off by showing you a lovely Banarasi Katan silk saree in fantastic, bold and beautiful black. Now, let's take a look at this gorgeous jet black Banarasi Katan silk saree. I'll just open it out for you. Blouse comes separately. So, let's take a look at the saree. Gorgeous body. Fabulous black and lovely platinum colored zari. Beautiful platinum zari all over. Lovely jali work. Beautiful. And the borders have got jangla motifs. Lovely jangla floral motif on both sides. And the body itself has got beautiful floral work in a jali pattern. And if you come closer, you can see there's lovely meenakari work as well. The flowers and the corolla inside is in different colors. One is in yellow, one is in magenta, one is in blue. So these colors are alternating with each other. Beautifully, the planning has been done. So the saree looks really, really gorgeous. Fabulous saree, right? So let's have a look at the pallu of the saree. Gorgeous pallu. Again, it's rich platinum color saree. Beautiful saree. Again, beautiful floral rosettes all over the pallu and edged by on all four sides. Beautifully edged by jangla borders. And of course, the artisan has beautifully ended the pallu with lovely tassels in three different colors. Beautiful. Four different colors actually. Yellow, blue, zari color, black color, and alternating all these colors alternate with each other. It's a beautiful, lovely tassels which have been tied. So it's really, really pretty. This is how the body and the pallu look together. It's really, really gorgeous the way it comes together. Really pretty. And of course, the blouse is a lovely, beautiful jet black blouse. Fabulous jet black blouse. So this is how it is. It's really gorgeous. Fabulous. So the way the blouse and the body and the pallu come together, it's really, really stunning. One interesting snippet is this same design and the same weaver is the one who made the saree for Ms. Neeta Ambani for the famous wedding, their son's wedding. This is the same design. Of course, that was embellished with lots of diamonds and it's a completely different kind of zari, gold and diamonds, but the same design. It's a fabulous, gorgeous saree. I hope you enjoyed seeing this saree and watching this video as much as I enjoyed showing this to you. It's a pleasure to have started off this Festive Fiesta series on Avishya. So we're going to be bringing you more and more collections of fabulous festive sarees for you. And if you like the saree, please come out to the Avishya store. The Avishya store is open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We'll be very happy to show you the entire collection of Banarasi silks to you. For those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection of Banarasi silks are available online. Our customer service staff are there to help you choose colors, choose textures, the silks that you want and what suits you, and different price ranges. Every price range is available starting from 8,000, 9,000 rupees all the way up to 35,000 rupees. There are Banarasi silk sarees. So please come out to the Avishya website or the Avishya store and please have a look at the entire collection. If you like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and of course hit the bell button so that you keep getting notified about all the new arrivals for the Festive Fiesta series, and I'm sure you'll enjoy each and every one of those videos. Next, we look at this beautiful, gorgeous, lovely, classic Rani pink Banarasi Katan silk saree. I'll just open it out for you. Wow, beautiful. It's really, really classic Banarasi Cotton Silk Classic. The color is a beautiful Rani pink. The zari is a lovely platinum gold zari, beautiful zari, and all over body there are lovely floral vines in beautifully shaped and lovely craftsmanship. It's woven beautifully, and on both sides there's lovely zari motifs on both sides. Again, very thick diamond motifs in the center, and on both sides of the diamond motifs you have lovely floral vines. So it's a classic Banarasi Cotton Silk Saree. And let me show you what the pallu looks like. I'll just open it out for you. Yes, this is how the pallu looks like. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Some elements of the border pattern repeat itself on the pallu. The kind of this very jali work, beautiful jali work with lovely, it's a 6 clover kind of a beautiful geometric floral motif. The center, it's a beautiful, very classic Banarsi motif. And on the edges of both sides, you have the same repetition of the border pattern, which is the diamond motif with a small, beautiful booty in the center. And the edging on all sides is lovely floral edging on all sides. So this is the lovely pallu, very grand pallu, which goes very nicely, very classic design, classic motifs, goes very nicely along with the body. And let's see what the blouse looks like. Yes, the blouse is a lovely, beautiful Rani plain blouse. It's really pretty, really nice. I'll just open it out for you. Of course, the artisan has woven also a beautiful strip of lovely platinum gold sari in the edge, and the strip is following the same pattern of the border of the sari. So all of this will come very nicely together, the body, the pallu, and of course the blouse itself. So overall, it's a very beautifully, wonderfully designed and wonderfully made sari. Let's move on to the other silks in the collection. We finished off with the cotton silks now. I'll just pass this on. Now, next we'll move on to a beautiful Kora silk sari. Beautiful electric blue, stunning electric blue, fabulous. See the body again, beautiful leaf and floral motifs. The zari, dazzling golden zari, lovely golden zari, very lovely, beautiful matte finish. And again, both borders have got lovely floral motifs on both sides. The twining leaf motifs on the edges. It's really pretty. Lovely sari. And if you see the pallu, I'll open it out for you. Wow. Gorgeous pallu. Fabulous pallu with beautiful, lovely rosettes. Beautiful floral motifs all over. And on the edging also smaller rose motifs on both sides. And top and bottom, you have lovely jangla motifs. So it's really stunning. And let's see what the blouse looks like. The blouse is a lovely plain blouse. But as always in a Banarasi sari, the blouse edge has got this lovely edging which follows the same pattern as the body. And of course, this is something you must see. This is how the Kora silk fabric feels. This is how it looks. It's beautiful Kora. Kora silk is essentially a variant of the organza material. So it is an organza in a sense. It is a type of organza, the Banarasi Kora silk. It's beautiful. It's semi-transparent. The feel is very nice and it drapes beautifully on the body. It will be a sensational sari to wear. Similarly, in the same Kora, we also have another color. We have a beautiful, stunning rust orange sari. Fabulous sari. Gorgeous work all over the body. As you can see, beautiful, lovely golden floral motifs with lovely meenakari silver motifs in the center. Beautiful meenakari work, silver and gold. Beautiful work. This is what in Banaras they call this the Sona Chandi work. Sona Chandi is the gold and silver motifs together. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Wow. This is a real wow pallu. The way it's designed and it's beautiful. The zari is rich golden zari with beautiful silver meenakari work. And if you notice, there is also a beautiful light green motif in the center. So it's a light green center is alternating with the silver center. So it's beautiful meenakari work, very skillful, lovely work. And of course, the blouse, I think in this case, they've done a beautiful polka dot blouse. Wow, it's really nice, fabulous polka dot blouse, lovely gold zari polka dots, which set off very nicely against the floral motif. And again, please have a look at the fabric. It's really gorgeous. The Kora fabric, which is basically organza, the Banarasi Kora looks really fabulous and feels fabulous too. It's very soft organza. So it will fall very nicely and feel very lovely, delicate on the skin. It's very nice. So this is the next Banarasi Kora silk that we've seen. We'll now move on to this. This is a very interesting silk. Not many people know about this. This is called Banarasi Chiniya silk. Now, Chiniya silk is actually a variant of Cotton silk. It is a thinner variation of, it's a different weave. It's a slightly different weave using the same basic material. So it's slightly thinner and it's got a slightly, the way the thread is twisted while weaving, the twist is such that you get a slightly rough finish. I'll open it out for you. Beautiful, lovely, beautiful color. It's a lovely, I would say it's a mauve, very mauve combined with the honey brown. So I really don't know how to describe this. I don't know if there is a word in English for this color. It's a beautiful, very traditional color. And if you see, I think I need to turn this around. The flowers are this way. So if you see, there's lovely meenakari work as well. If you come closer, you can see beautiful on the flowers. There are 3 different colors. There is a mustard, there is an orange, there is a magenta. 3 different types of flowers on the beautiful, lovely platinum zari on the body. So it's really, really nice. And of course, both the borders have lovely, again, meenakari work. Beautiful floral vine, the jangla motif, but very, very pretty jangla motif. Slight variation because on the zari, the meenakari work is done and it's really pretty the way the colors run through across the body. So it's really pretty. And I'll open it out for you. Let's see what the pallu looks like. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Lovely pallu. Really grand. Lovely zari. Beautiful grand zari and large leaves and floral motifs. Tiny little, beautiful, pretty little flowers. Meenakari work in between. Again, 3 colors. The mustard, the orange and the magenta. So it looks really pretty. It's a lovely sari. And of course, the zari, the way it combines with the colors of the body is beautiful. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Wow. It's a gorgeous brocade blouse. Fabulous blouse. As you can see, it's beautiful brocade zari. So it's stunning. The way it will contrast with the body is something else. This is how it'll look against the body. You can have a look. This is how it looks. It's fabulous. And of course, overall, I must tell you, the feel of Chiniya silk is something else. It's got the richness of silk and it's got the substance of tussar. So it's really nice. It's not very slippery. It's a little grippy, but it's very soft and smooth. So it's very special and the fall is incredible of this saree. You must try this out. When you come to our store, you should check it out and actually drape the saree and see. So this is the Chiniya silk saree that I was speaking about. I have one more Chiniya silk saree to show to you. I'll show that to you as well. It's a monotone Chiniya silk saree in beautiful purple color. I'll just open it out for you. Beautiful, lovely saree. It's very, very minimal but very stunning. The color is beautiful, the purple, and the silver zari is really stunning against the purple background. It's really beautiful. Beautiful, the jangla border on both sides and the floral motifs all over the body. Let's see what the pallu looks like. Lovely pallu. Very special floral motifs on the pallu. Grand, beautiful, lovely. It's actually a platinum zari and very rich pallu. All over there are these motifs. And right at the very end, you have beautiful edging in diamond motifs on both sides. Beautiful. And I'm sure the blouse must have been planned very, very specially. Yes, here it is. Here comes the blouse. It's really special. The blouse is incredibly special. As you can see, it's a beautiful, lovely brocade blouse. Lovely brocade blouse with beautiful motifs. Lovely little geometrical motifs. It's like a trellis motif, very, very thick honeycomb actually, very closely woven, beautiful zari woven here, and of course the feel of it is beautiful. The brocade zari and the Chiniya silk together combined to give a lovely feel to the blouse, and as much as the rest of the sari, this looks incredibly nice. Though it is a monotone sari, it will be very stunning and very elegant. So that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you liked watching this video, and I hope I really enjoyed showing these saris to you. We've seen kattan silk, we've seen pora silk, which is a organza silk. We've also seen Chiniya silk, which is a variation of kattan silk, and it's been my pleasure to show this video to you. If you like this video, it'll be really helpful if you could hit the like button and the bell button, the notifications button, and also subscribe to our channel so that you keep getting notified about all the videos that we keep uploading from time to time. And Avishya, we put together this collection today. Today is the Banarasi Silks collection for the festive fiesta, for upcoming festive season. So we'll be coming up with more such videos every week. Please tune in and keep watching our videos. Thank you so much for watching. For those of you who like this saree, I would urge you to come to our store and check it out. It's really, really amazing that if you touch and feel these fabrics, handloom is very special, and the touch and feel of a handloom fabric is something else. And we have a lovely collection of Banarasi silks. So come over to the store. It's at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We'll be very happy to show you the entire collection of Banarasi silks which we brought over for this festive and Diwali season. Please come to the store, check it out, try it out. We have lovely trial rooms and you can pick and choose the color that you want. For those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection is available online and our customer service staff will be very happy to guide you, to help you to select what you want and also take you to the ultimate purchase. Thank you so much for watching. Of news for you that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.